See this question. This is a question from engineering mechanics on the energy base. Say a rigid block of mass 10 kg. This is a block of mass 10 kg. The block of this mass is 10 kg and moving the velocity of v naught, that is 2 meter per second, and mass of 30 kg. It hits the mass of 30 kg block which is stationary 1 meter along the frictionless surface. This the surface is frictionless. The total surface is frictionless is given, and if two masses stick together and jointly move with 0.25 meters further along the same frictionless surface before it touches the massless buffer which is connected to a rigid wall by means of a spring. Here there is a buffer which is connected to the spring and what is asking, if the spring stiffness of the spring is 10 power 5 Newton per meter, the maximum deflection of the spring is. Very simple question. Here two things happened. First thing is, this block comes and touches this, means there is a collision happened. After collision, both started moving and compresses the spring. So that energy, after collision, how much kinetic energy of both the blocks is converted into the spring energy. So two things. First I am taking as collisions. If you go for collisions, first I am using LCM, law of conservation of momentum. If you use law of conservation of momentum, total momentum before collision is called total momentum after collision. That I am taking as m1u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. See, this is the law of conservation of momentum one, right? What is m1? 10. That is the mass of this block into what is the velocity he is given? 2 meter per second. 10 into 2 plus, this is 30 kg is the mass, but initial velocity is 0 because it is a stationary block. He is given the second one is stationary block, that is 0. That is equal to 10 into final velocity is v plus 30 into v. Clear? So total how much you are getting? 20 is equal to 40 v. So v is equal to how much? 20 by 40, which is 0.5 meter per second is the velocity of this. So this is the velocity of both the blocks after collision. After collision, the velocity of both the blocks is 0.5 meter per second. With this velocity, it is coming and compressing the spring. So total kinetic energy I am taking, which is equal to total spring energy. Total kinetic energy equal to total spring energy. What is total kinetic energy? Half m v square plus is equal to half kx square is the value. Half of gets cancelled. What is the mass? 20 plus 30 plus 10, total 40 into what velocity it is moving? 0.5 square is the velocity it is moving, is equal to what is the stiffness is given? 10 power 5 into x. See this, 40 into 0.5 square, which is equal to 10 power 5 into x. Then what is x value? You will get x value, if you solve this, you will get 1 centimeter as a solution. Say first you will get x in terms of meters, convert into centimeters, you will get 1 centimeter. So answer is 1. Answer for this question is 1 centimeter is the correct answer.